Hey, welcome back to Sherlock Key, your go-to destination for all things locksmith related. Today, we've got an intriguing topic for you: how to pick a lock in under 5 minutes. Ready to become a locksmithing pro? Subscribe to our channel for weekly tips, tricks, and in-depth tutorials. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest locksmithing techniques and ensure you never miss out on the key to unlocking your locksmithing potential. Remember, we're sharing this information for educational purposes only. Lockpicking should only be done by professionals in legal and ethical situations. Let's get started. The first step is to understand the anatomy of a lock. Knowing how these parts interact will give you a better understanding of the hacking process. Next is the choice of the right tools. We will introduce you to common tools such as spanners and lockpicks. Each tool serves a purpose, and having the right tools in your kit is critical to successful hacking. Now we will demonstrate the correct technique for inserting a tension wrench. This tool applies rotational pressure to the lock cylinder, creating a binding effect on the pins inside. Identifying the pin is a key aspect of picking a lock. This is a critical step in the process. As you lift each pin, you will feel a slight click as it clicks into place. Hacking is an iterative process. If you successfully install each pin, turn the lock cylinder to eventually unlock the lock. Remember, this knowledge is meant to be educational, and we encourage responsible use. Explore our other videos for additional insights. Dive into the realm of best tools for repairing locks to enhance your locksmithing knowledge. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more locksmith insights. Now, go ahead, practice responsibly, and stay safe. For professional locksmith services, reach out to Sherlock Key LLC. We're here 24/7 to assist you with all your locksmith needs.